It's always a pleasure to see people, and we have been having maximum number of webinars and online education. Academy of Orthopedic Manual Physical Therapist is known as the largest manual therapy academy in Facebook with more than 7,400 followers. And of course, globally largest manual therapy academy in Facebook. Okay. And also that it's the only active manual therapy academy providing online education throughout the COVID-19 lockdown. When we see there were academies providing online education in every part of the world, and in that, in India, the only academy which was active providing manual therapy education. It's published in the Journal of Manual and Manipulative Therapy in USA. We have our own questions that can manual therapy be learned online? And first of all, when people were asking, can physiotherapy be learned online? They got their answer in the past 2 years. The final year students graduated BPT learning online only. So the whole physiotherapy has become online. And after AOMPT, when we started the online courses, the first registered organization to provide the online courses in the beginning of lockdown, immediately all other associations and federations started providing manual therapy education online. So then it's now every organization is providing the online education certifications, including fellowships, and even the certification in orthopedic manual therapy, the COMT, the full course itself was available online in between. So remember that it's not the method of learning, it is the learner's approach to learning that important, not the method of the teaching. Okay, the teaching can be printed material which you are watching, or it can be a video which you are watching, or it can be directly shown in front of you. I have my, of course, the most beloved person close to my heart. We have Dr. Sharik here with me, and he is one best example of what is called as you see that you be in the frame, man, where you are running back. And remember that he's got graduated as a student and internship, was an independent clinician. Afterwards also independently practicing both house visits and also treating patients, including COVID ICU. Although it was cardiopulmonary, he learned the manual techniques and he used it on patients, both cardiac, neuro, or orthopedic, all the conditions. He has also attended workshops of other resource persons. He has also interacted with a lot of students in Maharashtra, for example. And he had worked now in Maharashtra for some time, and he has come back to Bangalore. Coincidentally, he came to know that today I'm taking the visceral webinar and he wanted to be part of this. So he came to you. And remember that sometimes people will think, can the guest of honor be a young physio, okay, a fresher, a budding physio? But remember, the passion which is within him deserves the honor. Okay, it's not the age, how many years you live. It is how you live, how you make your life count for welfare of others. That's what makes you the guest of honor. So it's always pleasure for the AOMPT to have Dr. Sharik amongst us. And we are going to first start with, of course, there is a special guest who is in the middle. Okay. We both are going to be the, what is called as the bodyguards, okay, for the special guest. We'll just show the cake like this and then we are going to eat anyway. So first we are going to go ahead with the most important one, the chocolate cake, which is shaped in the form of a heart. Of course, the romantic heart, not the visceral heart. It's the emotional heart. So without taking much time, I would request Dr. Sharik to join me in getting this celebration to be moving on. So light the candle. So for a change, I have a knife here and Dr. Sharik has another knife. Okay. So always remember that there is no fixed rules that there should be only one knife for a one cake. Okay. So always remember and be the part of a change. I welcome the core committee to join on the screen, unmuting their screen audio. And of course, especially Dr. Darshana, who's traveling, I understand, and Dr. Ritu, who's there. Darshana may not be having the cake beside her. Yeah, Dr. Ritu has made her own cake. Okay. What now? You are silent. You are not telling anything. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
So this is the cake which I came to show closer means I have to tilt the camera because I don't want to tilt the cake. Okay.
Right. Then it will reach it to us.
So this is the e-cake cutting. Okay. So the electronic version of cake cutting and celebrations, right? Dr. Sharik is always out of the frame. Come closer. Can I blow? You should be in the screen. They should see what you are doing. Come more far forwards. Yeah.
I am ready.
Okay. Thank you. First and immediate. Okay. So, yeah. Please. Okay. Come forward, man. Where you are doing here on the table everywhere. Okay. So, come here. Go for it. Come here. Done. Look at the camera. Okay.
Oh my God.
Close your eyes.
all
Be
to Happy
careful.
New Year.
Okay? Close your eyes.
all to Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New
Happy New Year,
Year.
Dr. Sharik.
And we all know that 2022 will be a better year than 2021. So make sure that you are also better than how you were in 2020. And also ensure that the patients who are trusting and coming to you should also be getting more times better than when they were coming in 2020. So God bless you all. Keep doing your good work and join me. Yeah, so. Okay, so we start with that end. Okay, so got it. Right.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, sir.
Wish you very happy new year to Ritu ma'am. First to the chief guest.
Oh,
Okay. So then after that we do this the Hindu style of taking things around the face, for example. Islam, anything what they do? It's okay, no problem. Nothing special. Okay. So for a change, okay, his religion is different by birth, but we are all following only one religion, that is excellence. Okay. And Darshanaya, right? So please take, man. What I will do taking it.
Darshana ma'am, on behalf of you, I cut the cake. Take this.
Thank you.
I made it for you.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Yeah. This is for you and me only. We both will eat this cake. That sir and Dr. Sharik will eat, na? This
No,
we
no.
and you will eat.
Fantastic.
We have
this
here.
is for you, to all.
Okay. So we are also joined by AOMBT members like Alisha, Dr. Martina. So we had these members who have been also actively attending many of the courses as per their convenience. Of course, right? So without taking much more time out of the webinar time, we are going to get back with as per schedule and we are going to start with the session. Glad that this celebration was made special by the presence of the chief guest and also the guest of honor. And it's always good that AOMPT can do something for the betterment of everyone. Okay, so God bless you all.
Thank
I
you,
will
sir.
stop
Thank you.
this recording.
We can give